Strawberries, the sweet and juicy berry. Strawberries are one of the most popular and delicious fruits worldwide. With their bright red color, juicy texture, and sweet flavor, they are loved by both kids and adults. But did you know that strawberries aren't actually berries, even though they're called berries? They belong to a group of fruits called aggregate fruits. Scientific name: Fragaria times ananassa. Family: Rosaceae. Native to North America, Europe, and parts of Asia. Grown in USA, Mexico, Spain, Turkey, and other temperate regions. Types of strawberries. There are several varieties of strawberries, but here are some popular ones. June-bearing, produces large, sweet berries once a year, spring. Ever-bearing, produces strawberries multiple times a year. Day-neutral, bears fruit throughout the growing season. Alpine strawberry, smaller, more intense flavor. Strawberry Virtuose, a variety known for its larger size and rich sweetness. Nutritional value of strawberries, per 100 gram. Calories, 32 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 7.7 gram. Natural energy. Fiber, 2 gram, good for digestion. Vitamin C, 58.8 milligram, boosts immunity. Vitamin A, 12 IU, supports healthy skin and eyes. Potassium, 153 milligram, helps maintain heart health. Water content, 91%, keeps you hydrated. Health benefits of strawberries. 1. Boosts immunity, packed with vitamin C to fight infections. 2. Supports heart health, rich in antioxidants and fiber. 3. Improves digestion, contains fiber and water. 4. Good for skin, high in antioxidants, helps fight aging. 5. Aids in weight loss, low in calories, high in nutrients. 6. Improves vision. Vitamin A supports eye health. Fun facts about strawberries. Strawberries are not true berries, but aggregate fruits. The average strawberry has about 200 seeds on its surface. Strawberries are a member of the rose family. The world's largest strawberry weighed 250 g, 0.55 pounds. Strawberries are the only fruit that has seeds on the outside. How strawberries grow. Strawberry plants grow best in cool, temperate climates. They produce white flowers that turn into green berries, then ripen to red. After 4 to 6 weeks of blooming, strawberries are ready to harvest. Strawberries thrive in well-drained soil and lots of sunlight. Uses of strawberries. Eaten fresh. Wash and enjoy their juicy sweetness. Strawberry smoothies, a creamy, refreshing drink. Strawberry desserts, cakes, tarts, and ice creams. Strawberry jam and preserves, a delicious spread for toast. In salads, add sweetness to green salads. Conclusion: strawberries are not only delicious but also super nutritious. So next time you enjoy a sweet, juicy strawberry, remember all the amazing benefits it brings.